Hello, my dear learners. Here are some phrases to express your emotions in English. 1. Happiness. I'm so happy about this. I'm thrilled with the news. I can't stop smiling. 2. Excitement. I'm really looking forward to it. I can't wait. This is so exciting. 3. Sadness. I'm feeling really down today. I'm quite upset about it. I'm having a rough day. 4. Anger. I'm so frustrated right now. I can't believe they did that. I'm really angry about the situation. 5. Surprise. I'm completely taken aback. I didn't see that coming. I'm shocked. 6. Fear. I'm really scared of spiders. I'm feeling quite anxious. I'm not comfortable in crowded places. 7. Relief. I'm so relieved it's over. I can finally relax. That's a weight off my shoulders. 8. Love. I love spending time with you. You mean the world to me. I adore you. 9. Disgust. I find that really gross. It makes me sick to my stomach. I can't stand it. 10. Confusion. I'm not sure I understand. I'm a bit puzzled. I'm finding this really confusing. I hope this video was helpful. It is a request for you all to support us and help us to share and reach out to those who need help. We are working tirelessly to get you everything you need. Hope you will like my channel and support me by subscribing, share, and comment. Thank you. Love and peace to all.